In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use symbols in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever repeated the same artwork across a project and wished there were a smarter way to update it everywhere at once, symbols are your best friend. They keep your design consistent, save file size, and make edits effortless. First, let's open the Symbols panel so we can see and manage our symbols. Head to the window menu at the top of your screen and choose Symbols. The panel will appear, and this is where all your symbols will live throughout the project. To add your first symbol, select any artwork on your artboard. This might be an icon, a logo mark, or any grouped shape you plan to reuse. Now, you have two simple options. You can drag the selected artwork directly into the Symbols panel or click the New Symbol button that looks like a plus icon. A dialog will pop up asking you to name your symbol and choose a type. Give it a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. For type, choose Movie Clip if you plan to animate or export to applications that support timeline animation, and choose Graphic for static artwork that will be used as is. Either choice won't change how it looks in Illustrator, but it matters for export and animation workflows. Once your symbol is created, using it is quick. Just drag the symbol from the panel onto the artboard. Every copy you place is called an instance, and each instance is linked to the original symbol definition. That link is what makes the next step so powerful. To edit the symbol, double-click it in the Symbols panel. You'll enter symbol editing mode where everything else dims and you can focus on changes, tweak shapes, colors, or strokes as needed. When you're done, exit editing mode by clicking the arrow in the upper left corner or double-clicking outside the artboard. Instantly, every instance across your document updates to match the new design, keeping everything perfectly synchronized. If you need a one-off variation that shouldn't update with the symbol, you can break the link. Select the instance on your artboard, then click Break Link to Symbol in the control panel at the top. That instance becomes regular artwork again, fully editable and completely independent from the symbol, and that's it. Open the Symbols panel, add a symbol from your artwork, reuse it by dragging instances, edit once to update everywhere, and break the link only when you need a unique version.